Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well, physically fit, fine, healthy, and happy. Today, I am going to show you the second part of sun salutation. So, in the first part, I demonstrated the whole sun salutation and the name of different asanas which are included in sun salutation. Today, I am going to show you again the whole sun salutation but with proper breathing and specifically for beginners how to do sun salutation, because this is always a kind of dilemma for beginners that, oh, it's not possible for me to do sun salutation as there are different steps and you have to stretch your legs and bend backwards and forwards. So it's not like that. Obviously, you can start with this simple process, which I'm going to show you now, and then slowly, after practicing, you will be perfect in that. Okay, so practice is very much essential for anything, whether it is asana or any part of life. So do practice very well. I'll show you now breathing technique, how to in sun salutation, how you're going to inhale and exhale, and for beginners. So just make sure this is for beginners. And in first part, the whole sun salutation was specifically for those who are already doing every day this Surya Namaskara. So let's have a look and try practicing this at home. If you see the whole process of sun salutation, I didn't stretch a lot, even my knees were bent. I didn't bend backward a lot. So the first standing position was as usual Namaskara position. And then when I lifted my both arms up, usually I will bend backward. But as this is for beginners, I just stood straight, which is absolutely perfect. And then bend forward, and then you can bend your knees. No need to stretch your knees at all. Obviously, slowly after practicing, you will be able to do that. So you can bend your knees and make sure your both palms are touching the floor. And after that, right leg goes back. Then instead of straight right leg, you can bend your knee and knee on the floor. And then after taking your left leg backwards, you can do Parvatasana where you are going to look back. And then after that, again both knees on the floor, and in Sashtanga Namaskara, your knees, your chest and your chin, three parts are going to touch the floor. Then you are going to relax your body, and then Bhujangasana. So there as well, you don't need to stretch your both arms, so elbow will be straight, nothing like that. You can bend your elbow and look straight ahead. After that, again you are going to do Parvatasana, but again what I did is my knees were on the floor, and then I did Parvatasana. And then when you are going to take your left leg forward in between your hands, if it is not possible to take your legs and or immediately lift your left leg and in between your hands, you can use your left palm on the left leg shin, and then you can drag it and put it in between your hands. But even if that is not possible, that's absolutely fine. Listen to your body and do it. And then right leg joins left leg, and then as you inhale, you're going to stand straight. So in the video, have a look where we are going to inhale and exhale. And start your journey with sun salutation every morning. All the best. Have a good day. Thank you.